jungle.
Hello everyone, welcome to Wi-Fi Learn. In this video, we can see about the basic components of the electrical circuit. The components that present in the electrical circuit are source, sink is also can be termed as load, and connecting wires. These are the three basic components of the electrical circuit. Source, that can also be termed as energy, that supplies energy to it, energy to the electrical circuit, sink or load, and the connecting wires. These are the major components of the electrical circuit. See, now let us draw a simple circuit by using battery as an energy source and lamp as a load by using a connecting wires. Positive terminal of the battery, negative terminal of the battery, and it is connected to a lamp. Conventionally, current flows in this direction from positive terminal to the negative terminal. This lamp is the load here and the energy used here is battery and it is connected through the connecting wires. The battery is connected through the load by using two wires. The purpose of the circuit is to transfer the energy from the source to load by using passage of the electron. The transfer of energy is accomplished by passing of electrons, passage of a stream of electrons. The current flows through the filament of the lamp, causing it to emit some visible light. Okay, when the current has been flows through the lamp, it flows in the filament of the lamp that it emits a light. It shows the current has been flowing in the circuit. The current is flowed through the battery by using a chemical action. This circuit is termed to be a closed circuit when the current has a complete path in the flow. The current has a complete path to flow in the circuit. When the current is flowing in the complete closed path, then the circuit is termed to be as a closed circuit. If a current has a complete closed path, then the circuit is termed to be as a closed circuit. If there is any open in the circuit or if the path has been broken, then the current cannot flow in the circuit. So that circuit would be termed as an open circuit. See, assume you are connecting a battery again to a load. Assume this as a load, and the path has been not closed since it has been broken in somewhere. Okay, the conventionally current will flow from this direction, from positive terminal to the negative terminal, which crosses the load. Due to the breakage, the current won't complete the path since it has been opened here. The current will not flow throughout the circuit completely, so the load will not glow. That is, the light will not glow. If the circuit is open, the current will not flow, then the circuit is termed as an open circuit. If the current does not complete a closed path, then it is an open circuit. If the current completes a closed path in the circuit, then that circuit is termed to be as a closed circuit. Assume in a network, if a network contains at least one closed path, then that closed path is termed to be as an electrical circuit. Right? If a network, a collection of electrical components with connecting wires, contains at least one closed path, then that path is termed as electrical circuit. It is called as electrical circuit. Definition: a simple electrical circuit is formed by connecting two terminals of the all electrical devices by using a connecting wires. By using connecting wires, if the electrical devices are connected and it forms a electrical circuit, it must have the electrical circuit must have the basic components of source, sink and connecting wires. All those elements that present in the electrical circuit will consume or transfer or control electrical energy are termed to be as electrical circuit elements. Elements present in the circuit will provide or consume, transfer electrical energy into it. Okay, let's see about the classifications of the electrical elements that present in the circuit. There are many type of electrical elements, but there are some major classifications of electrical elements. On basis of electrical energy transferred, the elements are classified into two types. They are of two types: source and sink. Sink can also be termed as load. Source and sink are the two types on basis of energy transfer. Source elements are the elements that provide supply in this electrical circuit, are termed as a source. The elements that provide supply in the circuit are termed as a source. Elements that provide supply in the circuit are termed as a source. Load elements. Load elements consumes energy in the electrical circuits. Consumes energy in the electrical circuit are termed to be as a load. These are the two types of element that present in the electrical circuit based on electrical energy transferred. Source element can also be termed by if the directions of voltage and current are same in any element, that element is same to be as a source in the circuit. If the directions of voltage and current are different or opposite, then that element are termed to be as a load element in the circuit. So, source can also be termed by using this point as if the directions of V and I are same, then that element is termed to be as a source element. If the directions of V and I are opposite, then that elements are termed to be as a load element. It is by using this category also source and load can be differentiated.